Supply chain disruptions, rising costs, inefficient practices. Who can help you fix these problems? Presource. You know us and you trust us for all of your procedural packs and kitting solutions. Presource has the expertise and the tools to support your pack programs so you can support your patients. Whether it's the ER, OR, GI lab, cath lab, or nursing floor, pain management, diagnostic procedures, or women's health, Presource can create and deliver the custom kits you need. And Presource delivers something else as well, something you might not be aware of. Value. It's in everything we do. For example, Presource offers transparent pricing. This helps you manage your kits because you know the cost of each item. We developed Pack Manager, an innovative online tool that lets you view and manage your packs in real time. And there's PBDS, our procedure-based delivery system, which creates supply chain efficiency and optimizes your delivery of high-quality care. Presource kitting solutions are driven by data and insights. They empower you to take control of your supply chain and clinical practice. That's just some of the value we offer. Think of Presource as your valued partner, a partner you know and trust. Redefining value, creating efficiencies, optimizing care. Presource from Cardinal Health. To request a PAC program review, visit us at cardinalhealth.com/Presource.